Have you ever thought that trading could be much more than just a way to try to make money? That it could be an opportunity to get to know yourself on a deeper level and develop your full human potential? Hello, everyone. I am Antonio Fantigrossi, trader, author of the book Online Trading for Beginner. And today I want to share in this video, we will explore together how to deal with market uncertainty, manage the emotional challenges of trading with a solid psychological framework, and focus on the process to achieve lasting results. We will talk about trading seen as a Zen practice. And to conclude, I will suggest two books that could change not only your trading, but also your life. So, if you are ready to embark on a journey of discovery and growth, stay tuned. Let's start with a powerful quote from my book. Speculation is the science of uncertainty and the art of probability. As traders, we constantly operate in uncertainty, trying to make decisions based on probability. We cannot control or predict with certainty what will happen in the markets, but we can learn to manage risks and seize opportunities in a probabilistic way. And this is where psychology becomes the key factor. The mind is the most powerful tool at our disposal, but it can also be our worst enemy if not properly trained. Trading is a high stress activity that can trigger a roller coaster of emotions ranging from fear to greed, from impatience to frustration. All these emotions are an integral part of the trading experience. The goal is not to eliminate them, but to learn to recognize and manage them productively. Because, as I often say, you can't control what the market will do, but you can always control how you react to it. This is where a solid psychological framework becomes essential. So, what do we mean by a solid psychological framework? It is a system of principles, practices, and tools that help us navigate the emotional challenges of trading with balance and resilience. In my approach, this framework is based on three fundamental pillars: self awareness, becoming aware of how our emotions influence our trading; keeping a trading journal where we note not only the trades but also the emotions we experience from time to time is a great way to develop this awareness; discipline, developing the discipline to follow our trading plan, focusing on the process rather than short term results. This helps us maintain objectivity and consistency in the face of market fluctuations. Resilience, cultivating the ability to face challenges and setbacks with a growth and learning mindset. This allows us to remain mentally flexible and adapt to changes in the market. By integrating these three elements, awareness, discipline, and resilience, we can build a robust psychological framework that supports us in navigating the complex emotional challenges of trading. A key concept of this framework is focusing on the process rather than short term results. Focusing on the process means concentrating on the factors that are under our control, such as the quality of our preparation, adherence to our trading plan, and risk management, rather than the outcome of each individual trade, which is largely beyond our control. In the long run, it is the quality of our process, not the result of each single trade, that determines our success as traders. So develop a solid, untested process and then focus on executing it with consistency and discipline. The results will come. Now, you might be wondering, what does all this have to do with Zen? Well, more than you think. In Zen, seemingly simple activities are often used as means to cultivate mindfulness, acceptance, and harmony with the present moment. Similarly, in trading, the ultimate goal is not just profit, but the personal growth that is realized through the process. In other words, trading can be seen as a form of Zen practice, an opportunity to get to know ourselves more deeply and to align our actions with our deepest values. Like in the story of the Buddha, the trader is also called to a journey of inner discovery. Before concluding, I want to share with you two books that I consider fundamental not only for trading but for life in general. The first is Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, which deeply explores the psychological challenges of trading and offers practical strategies for developing a winning mindset. The second is The Art of Happiness by the Dalai Lama and Howard C. Cutt. Although not specific to trading, this book offers valuable insights on how to cultivate emotional resilience, inner balance, and mental clarity, essential qualities for facing the challenges of trading and life. So, the invitation I make to you today is to embrace trading as an opportunity not only to create wealth, but also to grow as people. Sure, it requires commitment and perseverance, but the benefits go far beyond the bank account because, as I always say, trading is not just a way to make money, but also and above all, a way to know oneself and develop one's human potential. If you want to delve deeper into these topics, I invite you to read my book, Online Trading for Beginners, a comprehensive guide to start investing in the financial markets with the right technical and mental preparation. Remember, approach this challenge with curiosity, humility, and dedication. The results will come. Thanks for following me and good trading.